Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them, maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, March the 15th. As you can see, this is what it looks like when you're up pretty much the entire night. Japan markets melting down, pardon the pun, little last night, major moves. We've been tracking this all night on Twitter, on AGORACOM, on the newsflash, on the blog, you name it, try and get you information as fast as possible. We do want to report on today's news. I don't know if a lot of this news is going to have a major impact on these companies today. Nonetheless, you should know about them and take a look at them. First comes out of Gold Canyon, trades on the venture under GCU. They announced that they discovered shallow, high-grade gold coming out of hole SP11040, where they intersected 100 meters, 7.23 grams ton of gold. This on their 100% controlled Spring Pole gold project in the Red Lake mining camp. This is a near-surface area in which no modern or historical drilling was previously undertaken. In that result includes 28.5 meters of 19.7 grams ton of gold. The company says it's believed that this drill hole has encountered a previously unrecognized high-grade zone. That's important. This hole was actually intended to, as an infill hole, but it reached a target depth of over 150 meters and ended in mineralization. So it's safe to say that they've stumbled at something here that they didn't know they had. Closed yesterday, 229, 52-week trading range, 18 cents on the low. Unbelievable. 276 on the high, so trading pretty high, closer to its 52-week trading range. So congratulations, my friend Leo Carabellis and his team over at Gold Canyon. Next up, Capital Gold Corporation, CGC on both the TSX and the amex. You know this company. They're the target of a takeover in which Timmins Gold, our good friends Bruce and Alex over there, are part of the takeover team. They're trying to get their hands on Capital Gold. They do have competing bids. A lot of news been coming out of there, so this press release probably won't impact the price a lot, but they did report a 51% increase in revenue for the second quarter. Net income for the 6 months ended January 31st, 8.2 million. That's a 40% increase approximately over 2010. During the quarter, 14,500 ounces of gold were sold at an average price of $13.75 per ounce. So great performance. It should make them look even more attractive. A lot of things going down there next 3 days with a big vote taking place of a competing bid on March the 18th. Closed yesterday 534, 579 on the 52-week high, 230 on the low, and expected to be potentially even higher than that over the next couple of days if this gets finalized, or if Timmins Gold gets a chance to move in. Luna Gold, TSX Venture, LGC, they announced that they drilled 19 meters of 1.45 grams ton of gold and 2 meters of 130.45 grams per ton of gold. These are results from 8 holes from their ongoing drill program at their Piabla gold deposit, Arizona, in Brazil. They're calling these significant mineralized intercepts. Too many to talk about, but some huge numbers there. Go take a look at them. Luna Gold is a producing gold company, and they're producing out of their Arizona mine, which is in Brazil. Closed yesterday 57 cents, 52-week range, 87 on the high, 49 on the low. Very tight range. Market cap $248 million. So they've got a lot of shares outstanding right now, and that probably accounts for the tight trading range. And finally, not all that glitters is gold. Emrise Corporation trades in the U.S. under EMRI. This is a multinational manufacturer of defense, aerospace, and industrial electronic devices. They announced that they received orders valued about $1.8 million for their electronic devices to be used in in-flight entertainment and connectivity systems. They say that they've announced more than $11 million in major orders since December 2010. That's huge. This $1.8 million, this is a quote from a company, this $1.8 million in orders will add to that portion of growing backlog of orders expected to start shipping in the third quarter of this year, which the company believes will contribute to our profitability in the last half of 2011. Closed yesterday 65 cents, 52-week trading range, $1.35 on the high, 20 cents on the low. Pretty much in the middle, slightly lower than the midway range, but they got market cap, it looks like, of under $8 million. And if they're going to be profitable by the end of the year, this might be a great company to start taking a look at. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Great press releases for you. If you're watching this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to discover other great small cap resource companies we've covered in the past few days. Otherwise, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM if you're not already there. Watch the show. Check out the best headlines right on the front page and get yourself into the directory to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. Watch the markets. It's going to be volatile. There's going to be great opportunity to take advantage of panic selling, I believe. And if things actually go well in Japan, and God bless people in Japan, that happens first. But if it also happens for the sake of the markets, you're going to see a significant move in the upside, especially on a lot of these uranium juniors got beaten up. So follow that action on AGORACOM. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.